The NC1560L is a 25-inch twin needle long arm compound walking foot machine. This twin needle unit is employed for sewing deep into material and French seams. It comes equipped with a custom servo motor workstation that arrives fully assembled and the machine fully tested and ready to produce. It's equipped with 9mm stitch length, reverse, big bobbin, self-oiling, and a safety clutch. Jose is going to demonstrate the special feature this machine has, which is a foot control knob. When he turns it counterclockwise, the foot is going to raise up. And then when you get to higher goods, it'll sew right over without a problem. You come back down, you can lower it if you want. You can do that on the fly. We set all of our twin needle machines up with our sew straight needle system and gets both needles as close to parallel as humanly possible.